how the voice of God sounds like?
It's like mawukhuluma kanje ngathi kumunye umuntu ivoice yakho injani. It's like you can't describe ivoice. Mina ivoice engisabayo yaNkulunkulu mako kwadile. Ungathi uphakathi kwe-thunder uzozwa umzimba wakho vibrate and kuyashisa. La elanda khona if ilanda la uzozwa ngathi ushaywe iball of fire. If ilanda la
But ukhuluma what language? Ubulela Sepedi.
ubulela ka language ubulala ngileyona. Awubulalana ka Sepedi ubulala Sepedi ulumuzulu ubulala
Zulu.
Eh. And
It's sexy voice ya high.
first time it's soothing. That is soothing, it's healing
It's healing.
and it's comforting.
It's comforting.
Yeah.
Alright, greetings and salutation. This is Podcast Klapi Kamala Mufalmans. We are back again with another episode. Make sure you do the right thing. You like, subscribe, and share. And tell everybody to come and celebrate 30K together. We are on the road to 30K. Make sure you tell everybody Uguti they should come and subscribe so that isn't this grand. Without further of wasting time. Hey, Bafit, your support is so important. Make sure you get yourself this number ikona lapha ku description. It is there also on below the screen. It is a body lotion for men, for only men. Uyayithola malume wakho, itholele ubani bani wakho, itholele whoever is a male figure in your life. Surprise nje, you know. Your support will be very much important. It will be much appreciated. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, give it up for the one and only Prophet Mamu Jalefa is in the building. Thobela. Le kae?
Rona ra lena.
Le rena re gona. A bona today ke tlo ria shoka Sepedi twi. Sepedi sa maleva. That's why you'll judge gore motho wa se tseba Sepedi. Ke Prophet Mamu Jalefa, right? Le tswa kae gae?
Ke Limpopo, sona barwana, but ke dula mo Tembisa ke gae le gona. So yes, so we can travel about these two provinces.
Oh, ke kholele le Polokwane.
It's about 45 to an hour.
45 to an hour.
Yes.
So le under Capricorn municipality.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Well, so.
Ke ba tseba ke re ke tsene le sekolo kwa Thefo.
Oh.
So ke a tseba seshego kana le seshego gona le Thefo le wa khomo moleji ke ba tseba ke tsene le bona sekolo Zanini I ke tseba pleke. Yeah, so how did you discover gore una le mpho ya badimo?
Khale from bongwaneng but ke sa khone we understand our king. So we ke longwane lo re nga ke khone no dula le bana ba bangwe nako etelle ke no ba isolated. So hearing voices and seeing little people like bana ba banyane be ke no go raloka le bana ba banyane unaware ba bona ke nna ke le one. So but it's like ke thomile we realize hand ke na le ma 7 years ka re ne ke rata ke too much apostola. So ke maka gore ko kereke be ke ya eli ke rata no ke rata kereke ane ke gona lu a ke tsore ne ke preaching ka re ke sa longwana mara ke no hopola ntse ke mo pela batho ke bolela ba ba holo le ba gore ke bala Bible. So I remember one time ke ha kro bana banyana bona ho hola ke tshwere ke mmoko. So ne ke sa ya kerekeng ka re ne ke le restricted gore nga o ska loka le bana ba bangwe tlo ba tshela mmoko ke ska le betsere go betsa re keng ka sekgowa. So ya fetela nthola infectious. So ha o se tshwere sentse o dilo le one ba o treat ntho tse di jwale. So ne ke na le group ya bana ba ba ratang ya kerekeng because ba ya le nna ke ba ke tsore ke ba recruitile gore ne ba no follow ka re ne ba rata go ka le nna. So that day ba fitla go kereke ba thola ra go hona. Then they came home. Then I told them, no, anka se boralo ke le lena ba re le ska ka tswela ko ntle ke tlo le tshela mmoko. So ba rena rena go re yang re. So I end up having to take the bona packet ya metsi. Ke tswela ko ntle ke lo ba letsa scoop and then ba wina. It's like a mini church there ka mo high.
Okay.
And then so at that time ne ke mametse mama ka ile kerekeng o reng ha ba chaisha ga scoop ka kwa sethola o ra le rena tsantse re chaisha because o tlo nshapela gore why ke re le o dule o ska wa tswa o tswile. So se re ke kwa re kwa kerekeng kwa ba chaishitse ka be ke tsamaya then just go because and then I went back to my sleeping area. but wa ga fitlha ba re o ne o tswile kere ka re a re re ne o tswile ke bone mo di-footsteps tse dintšhi gore ne o tswile ka re a ba nlateletse bona ba le ba re ba nyaka gore re tsentšhe kereka
Yeah.
so but the thing goreng a ke setse ko gola ke tsana mo bo-teenageng a kere you want to fit in be like everybody so ntho engwe gape le yona beng is like gore ke thoma o e realize ke godile gore no bentse dilo tša moya be ke sa rate e ba tired ko sekolong le nka dula ka mo tlelaseng the whole day kore be ke ba tired jale ke nyaka go ba le these people bana ke bua le bona ke le one and ne ke re le ga ke bala nka re ke bala buka be ke sa rate sekolo mara be ke rata dibuka understand so ke bala ga ke stakile mola no kwa voice e kgone mpotsa gore no this word means this I want to le jwalo so bana makala the classmate or even if after a week of not coming to school mara ke feel like no ngwala ka pass so but then ke sa kgone gore nka explain or what's happening with me why I rata ba alone what's going on so ka ba ka fetsa matric and then kore e thomile o tla ha ke setse ke ka no re in my late 30s jwale ta ka force
Late
30s
okay.
Not early 30s my late 20s early 30s
Okay.
so
ya fihla ka matla
ya ba ka matla jwale ya ba gore
but wa tseba o boletse ntwe nngwe le gore e tlisha dipotšišo tše dintšhi you said gore no raloka le bana ba bona ke wena fela bjang ba bangwe ne ba sa bone wena o bona o raloka le
ha
bana
ke ka le bana ba riele ba ke ba tsebang ke ba tired no tla ka re moya so ke no tlo ka re thoma o lapa ke ba tloele ke tsamaye ke o dula ke le one ha ke o dula a ke thoma ke dula ke le one ke a kwa I'm already moving with people around me and then ke fihle ke dule mola ne ke ba rata gore ke tlala ka maje ba busy laughing ke ba bona ba dutse mola but
no sa kgone ba shapa
no ba sa kgone ba shapa it's like I don't know kona ke realize that they were spiritual children because sometimes ha ke sa dlale ma ka maje no go ba like ke ba in a trance ke tsamaye ke bone ke dlala le bona in another place so if ke sa tsamaye ka go dlala le bona in that space but like ke dutse mo mara ke bona ke le somewhere ke timishana ra raloka green space una le ma blomo like all kinds of flowers and we are chasing running or dancing so ntone ba makatsa go ring like he re shetse maybe re dancer ba nya ka gore na ke eme ko pele ba imitate everything every movement that I'm doing so but sometimes we are not going there we just sit na ke dire maje ke tlalisa ka maje ma o mamang and then they are laughing and giggling like that so
okay.
ke realize tse late gore o tshore ne ba sa nya ke ha ke re loka le bana ba bangwe ka re ne ba gana jealous or what it's like now it's our time then I get tired and I move and then sit alone maybe behind the house on the shadow there ke dule mola ke dlala le bona
okay then what happened after your 30s where you now realize this is a gift
in my 30s ntho engwe be me makatsa la ha ke ke sa le ngwana le hantse ke hola batho ba holo ne ba rata mpotsa di-problems and be ke ba lono ba tired ka bonna so ke realize tse late nyana gore okay ba re ke like empathy gore o fodisha ka kutlole botlhoko o fodisha ka pelo so in my 30s I was married and then ha ke le married mola ne ke ba le ke na le gore ha ke batla mosebetsi ko thole so but sometimes I dutse mo ntong fatsa o tlina gore ke tlela ke anger exactly ke anger ke tlela ke like this sorrow ke sa tse gore ke sorrow like o no la pelo e ba botlhoko pelo no ba botlhoko mara what's going on so and then ntho ke bentse go re e makatsa nne ke tsana ke reke kana ko eo but what's going on with me emotionally and ke bona vision but vision ke sa kgone ho interpret gore ke eng so ka be ke ntse ke hola ka mogano jwale ke reke ne re tsana ne sa dumela badimo e sa dumela le prophet understand so like I bona division le ha ke bona le ditoro a ke kgone ho di interpret I can't talk to anyone about them so until ho tlo ba le taba ho reng ke be le conflict le my then husband and then ra separate, and then ha re separate a friend of mine a ba re monna re my friend ka rona le di-problems mara why o sa zame ore o ye ko moruting o mongwe wa mosione o ile o checka gore na life o diragalang. And then ha ke ya mola then ke ena wa go but yena ha e ntšha hantle o rile wena o na le mosebetsi o tshwanetse o dire wena. And then a mpha ditela tsela but it's like the dreams le division ja kgona go ba mo o ka re di-activatega. Then ngwana mane ka lena ba nkiša ko mongwe wa mpostola ke ena wa mpotsa gore hey wena gift ya gago ke kgolo kudu mara olo tse dintse tse le reng o after tsona ka se di khumane mosebetsi wa eng mosebetsi wa moya jwang a re your gift is very big ba tla go bontšha wena phetha ba tla go bontšha. So but bona le lentswe le ne le bona re na le no bua le nna sometimes like nka ba too much stressed be ke na le tshwara ke depression ke ba too much stressed lentswe le tle le re ke gopola last time ke complain or na ona motho wa nratang everybody's like hate me what's wrong and I ke rena ke rata batho I take care of people I give everything but it's like I got no problem nobody's there for me. And then la no ka no lentswe le bola re le wena ke a o rata who's talking. So and lentswe ha le tlo that time sa la bua ke sa le ngwana ne ke I was longing for my father by then. Basically one ke psa mara papa ka o kae does he remember me because na mama ka papa ka ba gawana le mama ka and I was very close to my father. So we le ba gawana ke na lo ba le that longing loneliness so that le nku dutse ngwe du khanya ke ka mora wa ntlo ke re mara papa ka o kae does he remember me why am I feeling so lonely why doesn't he reach out ke ra hana ke le one lentswe la be le bolla le re mona le re there is someone who feels exactly like you are feeling but one day when la tlo kopana. So only to find out that thing ke calling because in my spiritual work most of the people ba ne go kopana le bona is the people ba lo reng ba either ba fatherless or ba have a good relationship with their father. Some don't even know who are their fathers. So but that time I se ke understand nna ka go tse ke ipotsa gore ora re motho go tlo kopana le ena maybe ke a husband a lover or ke motho lo reng ha tlose le papa hae. So but only to find out no ke spiritual calling has nothing to do with love and relationships. So ya bentse e tswelela jwale spiritual gift and then hey ka end up ke tlogela le kereke jwale ke lebella ditaba tsa semoya. And then 2010 ka be ke boela hape kerekeng ha ke boela hape kerekeng then ka be ke botsa gore wena mo mara ke botsa ke le ba lentswe le gore wena mo a sana space mo o tshwanetse o tsamaye ba rekela modimo jwale ke na le this thing jwale ya o hanelela mo kerekeng a ke tsore ne le taba ya fear or comfort zone or ne le eng but
Yes.
so until o diragala something ka re one day ne re apara dikwakwa tse di telele re ko kerekeng that time one day ke re ke tsena ka kerekeng tsa robeya ditlhako tsela then we just no robeya I been to Lauren. This place is no longer your home. Then that day from there, got Toma Gadula. But it's like a come home, I live fear, Kahona, Yahoo, starting something new. Yaboring Monga Krekela, Lena Hona, Hona spiritually, I will less spiritually. So because we can let this thing, Yabu medium, so it's very easy to tap into the spiritual realm. Anyone, anywhere, the living and the dead. So I ba bolela le na spiritual loreng ke a bona re tshohile but lentswe le botsa malona ke la modimo. So mamela ntwe modimo o botsanya no pet. All is well. Le now will help you where I can help you. Then ke thoma ba le courage ke tlogela kereke jwale. Ke thoma follow my spiritual path. So
Yeah, so medium.
yes,
So what do you do? Connect with the dead
the dead and the living.
and the living. So when you say you connect with the living, how do you connect with the living?
The living is like o ka no re ke dutse mo le se ke batla bona re na mama ka o dirang go high is she okay? I can do that. Let's say maybe or somebody might be doing something wrong or maybe what to check a control. It's like I guess we're satellite or eng. It's like o zoom into a specific place and see what's happening there.
Oh.
So le motho spiritually wa khona nka se re mo samona but it's like wa kgona go connecta le ena o bue le ena a le somewhere either ena a ka o kwa telepathically or a ka o ka re wa o feela something like that but wa kgona o bua le motho o phelang le o
So o thomile o bona at what age or now I can connect? I'm a medium actually.
nka no reng about 7 years back
7 years back.
yes because 2014 ke be ke starta a ministry I was told to start a ministry so ke ran
Ministry ke kereke?
correct yes I ran that ministry for 7 years until 2020 and then 2020 ya ba horeng ka COVID and everything but ke ne se ke tlo reng I'm feeling tired ne se ke tlo reng I'm feeling tired and then ka ba kopa modimo horeng le hona ke lora le di ancestors I agree that time I was working ka sethunya ka bo prophecy so ka 2020 ke thoma go bana mo di ancestors and then a be le gore morongwa wa ka lengelele ke tsamaya lona reng batho ba heno ba na le mpho e modimo ba fileng yona kopa gore o ba mamele because ne ke ba ke sa understand ka re ke na le that mentality ya goreng wa tseba ko dikerekeng gore how we regard our ancestors yes so le nna ke na le that mentality o goreng ke ba they are like that ke sa kgone ba accept so a be ena mpotsa goreng tsamaya le bona and then ba o rute because o na le mpho e modimo e kgolo mpho e modimo ba ba file yona they have to pass it on to you mara before they can do that they have to prepare you and teach you so I lore ke kwala ministry and then I go that route but le hona still ba sa dumele gore ke tshwase
Oh, ne ba sa dumele gore twase.
ba sa dumele gore ke tshwase so ya ba re ke bona jwale ka di dreams ka di visions ka o no kwa lentswe le mpotsa gore go there and do this go no keng and so
So ba go boditse ga o tloga ntlong a o itla mo show.
ntho e mpotsa yona gore ke ska ka tshoa they are with me and then ntho e ke nne go kopa protection le kopa le gore ha ke bua ke na ke se ga lebala di main point ka rena ba re le ha ba mpotsa ba re rena ka o ye ko podcasting there is a message that they want me to pass on to the South Africans or the world whoever is able to
Let's pass the message.
okay
Before you pass the message, you know, before I used to, you know, go test it. You know, there's this testing activity. Okay, what do you see? You know, but because of we are living in a world where people they can just take that and see an opportunity to do weird stuff. I decided to eliminate
stop that
Yeah, because of like right now, Ankare, okay, what do you see? You know, Ankare will say, or you see A, B, C, D, but because of some other things there, people they can do some weird stuff there. Yeah. So if like I was about to do the test, already did you pick an energy where I see A, B, C, D while we were talking the past 17 minutes?
No.
You haven't picked any?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So hona ba nka khona hore ke like close up ska ka pick up energy ya batho because ne more ka hore ha ke khone ho distinguish the good and the bad they will not pick up everything and ke dula ke le tired ke dula ke le burdened so especially like o ka re ke khona o ka re ke pick up haholo energy ya sorrow mo bathong yes so and ha ke se ke pick up le nna ke feel that sorrow tshwantse ke release by going through like mourning so so ona ba nka like ke kwala hore e ke tsamaya ke ska ka pick up energy everywhere and anywhere
now wa
it's a form of I didn't know ko mora hore di end up by the psychic attacks so you have to protect yourself by that is one of the protection measures that I take
go kwala
o kwala re ska wa bona o pick up every energy mo tsamang
because it affects you at the same time.
It affects you at the same time.
It makes sense.
So that's why o bona have some people when ha ba setse ba go connect spiritually motho a tla leta candle a para seaparo a dirang because it's like now we are saying to our energy okay now we can open up let us connect to the spiritual realm but at certain times we have to close up the space so that not everything can come in because it will overloaded.
True, right? Yes. Yeah. What have you seen in the spiritual realm? Spiritual realm.
Spiritual realm. Yeah, that's one of the messages that I want to speak about it because modimo ntho a re lampontšha yona mpontšha gore especially bana ba setšhongwa sa bogoši ba sokola haholo mo a ba thole like the people who can help them and guide them so abe ke bona ba lo directly message modimo ba a nrometse for bona so go spiritual realm nna ke bone there are 4 worlds una le the underworld akere le lona le re le mo lona and the cosmic one and the one beyond akere so what I know I've seen so many things ka the spiritual realm what I know ka spiritual realm ko reng ho no tshwana le hona mo lefatsheng like ho na le the forest ho na le the mountains ho na le eng ho na le the rivers ho na le the just like ka mokgwa o di bonang ka hona akere yes so let's for example let's say maybe re go Durban akere ke Durban ke le water le shebile kaofela but the spiritual person o tlo bona something e le hore somebody o a le mo gaufi ga no se bona so ke that thing is spiritual mara mo same place akere but all o tlo e bona wena wa se bona akere le spiritual place o bona ka lihlo la moya ha o bone ka lihlo la nama so it's not or ke some place somewhere that's why we can have people by lorong ba exist around us mara skara ba bona they are in the spiritual realm mara ba hona le rena but ha re gone ba bona ba in the it's like there's a veil that closes up but bona ba hona around us
or like really gona mo go so there are people here
spiritual people yes
ba gona okay ba tsamaya le rona
yes
okay
o mo le mona le guardian angel ya hae ona le star sa hae so ba tsamaya le wena but it's like they can only leave you if you maybe run to loring they've told you or sky dira and then you continue doing it let's say maybe ba re ska visit such and such a place because maybe iba ngare nka sere ba ngolisa but it's like hae tsamaishana le bona and then you continue regularly go there and then ba tlo o tsana mola ba tlo they will
distance themselves
and rather wait outside for you then how is ba tsamaya le wena
okay so but how would you know that like a random person like myself how would I know that gore I shouldn't enter certain places
intuition wa feela okay first of all how le black ho na le certain feelings jo di pick up like o kro feela nkareng uncertainty nyana ka ro feela ka ro something bad can happen at any moment that's a warning sometimes o feela like whenever ba nkgopetsa taba or like o na le go dutse le batho ba bangwe ka ro feela small that's not your space sometimes o feela like kuru feel I'll be free, I'll be comfortable. No feel like we are on the edge. Then it's about mangelu hawa hona molwena. That space is not sahawa they can dream. I'm told ba wa lororing. Na gongo loro we are somewhere but something bad happens. It's a warning. Then we don't go there. Yeah. So some most of the time people are really who connect our intuition, our feelings, our spiritual senses. Yes.
Let's continue with the message that we have.
So the message that I have koring mthwe modimo re leng ke buele bana ba moya wa setshonyo sa morongo wa bogoši setshonyo sa bogoši ke goreng ba tshwanetse ba sike goreng ba conclude process ya bona ya the 4 world and the 7 spirit of the earth and the 7 spirit of the earth so ntungwa but I know some of them online this thing. Some of them they've already on that journey but understand or what is it that I'm talking about. But so the journey becomes difficult because only those 4 worlds that you have to or my motor. All right, into modimo na ante ale concerned ka yona ka bana ba hae ba sethunya. So it's like most of them they are going in circles. Ka ba la morongo wa bogoši a se batho ba bantši ba tsebang go phethela and a o dumele gore o thwasa so we end up on a foundation because o thwasa ke re o thwasa your ancestors idlozi and then le o nikeza the foundation so that how o tloya ko moyeng wa borongwa o na le that baseline and then because morongwa mostly ke moya wa the cosmic earth ke moya wa lehodi wa marongwa ba lehodimong. Even though some people ba re barongwa ke matlozi wethu whatever, but a kere o tla ta ka form e le hore wena mo leveleng ya hao sa le mo yona, and then e ntse o hola moyeng, then you realize hore ke morongwa wa lehodimo o le hore o in charge, o superior to your ancestors and all these other things that have been guiding you. So ntho e bana ba mpontsha yona ke taba hore a ke sa tsebe hore tshwantse ke bua ka yona hore bana ba morongwa bogoši jwa moya wa morongwa wa lehodimo ba tshwantse ba ye ko thabeng ba re ke Drakensberg Mountain, ka sekgowa ba re ke Drakensberg Mountain, ba ile lokollwa matlozi a bo bona kapa ba manyelo ya bona ko. And another place ntho sa le ba mpontšha yona ko morao, another place le mpontšha yona mo ile horeng most of our powerful ancestors ba bindile hona ke Victoria Falls. Let's why it's about waterfalls ba re ke Victoria Falls ko Namibia, I think mo border ya Namibia le Zimbabwe.
Oh, no, I get it.
Victoria ba bitsa Moshua Thunya ke re when the colonizer came there ba bitsa maina a bona all these places. So yes, sure, bana ba modimo ba tshwantse ba ye mo ba tshwereng ke morongwa wa bogoši gore ba ye mo ba ile lokolla manyelo ya bona, and then dilo tsa bona di kgone ho move forward. I know ke dipoleke tsa ko kgole mo ba bangwe ba ka se kgone ho reach those spaces, but how o tshwere ke lengelo la morongwa wa moya wa lehodimo, you have to hore o ye ko o ile lokisha. So yes, now kopa mpotse some questions that we want to ask, and then
you mentioned gore ba ile release the ancestors tsa bona. What do you mean? Since bo lahla madlozi.
no a ba ile lahla madlozi. Ke ne ke ya gore hona bana thaba e ya ka bo tswanya ga ke exposure something very deep. Ha ke re hona bana ho ka theletsa most of the dingaka tse dingata ba bola ka taba hore we the black people, we have to go back to our culture, we have to go back to our indigenous knowledge, those kind of things. We're back to our roots, all those kind of things. So one thing that's ba aware of kayona horing they are not aware koring. I agree we know hore most of our healers ba ile ba bang ba ile ba bolaiwa. Mela ha ntse restrictiwa practice ya bo ancestral healing ba tlo bitswa di witch doctor and so forth, le mahoshi ya bo rena ba bang ba ile ba bolaiwa, those who resisted colonization akere. So re a tseba gore some of them the body parts tsa bona tse tsa captureiwa akere. So ntho e modimo a ndlang re vilela yona ko reng hore re le batho ba bantsho re tle re be free, re tle re be liberated, re tshwanetse re lwele meboya ya batho ba le ba borena ba le mahoshi a la borena back akere. Because hona ba no leng ka re okay ha akere wa itse bantu ya ho thebolwa. So mostly the colonizer, they didn't just took all these material things that we were looking and fighting for, but thebotse spiritually.
Oh
yes, ba re thebotse spiritually, and then ba ba thebola le some of our mostly our powerful ancestors ba ba thebola
for them to be
for them to use them. Okay, re give an example. There was one interview that I saw that you conducted to Nomunye Mkhulu wathi waya kulenye bonu le be le kendleng e dragon. I don't know if you remember.
I don't remember.
Angazi ibhonu mara it's like this person bani plus
yes.
I kendleng inkanyapa angazi
Yes,
uthi
yes.
inkanyapa siyona dragon or is it the
Yeah,
but
yeah,
that's how I know inkanyapa is a dragon. So wakhuluma indaba ukuthi behlala lapho edamini suka ya endlini, those kind of things. Akere. So kunjalo even naku most of the areas that of white people, what God has revealed to me ukuthi ba kendle ngalento le, but using the spirit is our
ancestors.
yes.
Oh, do white
Especially-
people use those things?
Yo,
It's bad.
it's bad. Black people who we are playing. If we want to our freedom back, we want to be liberated and get everything that belongs to us back. We need to do better than what we are doing. At the
What
current
should we do? Tshwanetse re dire.
First of all, re lwele that the spirit of our ancestors back.
Our spirit of our ancestors
The spirit
is
of our
captured.
ancestors has been captured, the spirit of our kings, those who resisted colonization, those who resisted cooperating with white people.
People, yes.
Yes.
It is still captured.
Yes. So, because they are the ones who still have that power of resistance, they are the ones who have the power in the spiritual realm. Doing it on our own is not going to work. It's not going to work. Because like Ndumulan sometimes can take me to in the spiritual realm. I remember one time I'm poncha ko plasing e nngwe. No hona le like ba re ke di banka these things me koti e ntlonyana tla me koti ka mo. Yes. There were black children there, hidden there. You understand? Who are being used for sacrifice for a dragon at the mountain. Plus, in a letter with a maso, and a tabula with it's like it's the shape of a serpent. So, under that mountain, there are people there who are living there, and then these children who have been captured here, and then issue more for human sacrifice. So. And then it's like most of these powerful prophets and doctors is like too much concerned about their own power, their own fame, their own wealth, and then it's like it's like they don't see that kind of things. But yes, they are yearning and longing back to back to where never high. Mo country mo continent mo feeling yona. You understand? So because of level hona ba no such a ro pressure all different races eba fitla mara eba fitla motho mo ntswena o fetsa leng a le ko tlase. So until is spiritual before it can be physical. But about spiritual they know for motho hore ao or motho a kre motho a o telele ora o bone spiritual realm o below yena. You understand? So meaning the war is not only physical, it's spiritual. That's why most of our political leaders, most of them surrender to the system because if you can't fight them, we better join them. Because I can have spiritual. But those who are spiritual should assist and play their role as well. But the thing only this division, the political one better than the traditional healer. And then the church personnel and now we that division.
Yes.
People and then both of these people have whatever that they are doing for the benefit of their communities, for the benefit of the nation, for the benefit of the population. So why should we compete re against each other
Why vele?
Why vele?
Why vele o mongwe e le a Christian o mongwe e le ngaka, but we are fighting gore all better than the other one? Why is it like that?
So even no, what we are saying it contradicts what we are doing. So at the end of the day, then search what is the real motive? Because if what you are telling us is your motive, what you are doing, then what is the real motive? What are you really all about? So there should be a collaboration instead of a competition. So, but sometimes maybe money is the motivation, fame, and then I don't know what else.
I like what you just said. It just brings a lot of interest in my head right now. Uguti, you said we should get together to win the battle spiritually first before it could move to physical.
To the physical.
But how do we get together and how do we fight this battle spiritually? Is there any formula? Maybe we can apply it to fight this thing spiritually.
Let's say, for example, inyanga zine ama forum or ama association wabo.
Yes, correct.
It can start there. Ama sonto nabo bana ma organization nabo that they belong to. It can start there. Okay. My political parties now it can start there. So how to kopani all these segments don't have to be united motive. Agree. So let's say re dingaka ha re ka re we need our land back, we need our power back, we need our continent back. Akere. And then as an association, yaba a motivation, yaba a vision ya rena kaofela. You understand? So re tlo kgona gore ha re tlo kopana le ba bangwe bale, and then we can not sell, we can like make them buy into that vision, because now we are united in that vision. So whenever no kore lo reng let's say ke association ya dingaka, ho sa lebeletse ho reng who is more powerful, who has more mathwasana, who has more what, who has more. So I want to we need to build a vision first. E lo re tlo re unite in one direction, yes. So ke le ke re ka lebala ka bona reng, and but there are some organizations so ke bone e nngwe last week, so but I still have to do more research about it, but it's like ke like e share about reng e formula on that base ya reng, but bona ba nyaka gore ba bushe the integrity ya dingaka, seriti sa dingaka back, le tshepo gore ba tshepagale, ba be le a good standard, because hona banong okay dingaka sa le o e ba le ntho ya ke re melao ya no ya gore maburu ba re ke witchcraft, ba restrict la ka melao le ka everything akere. And then batho ba bo rena bentse ba na le ba respecta the traditional healers, ba ya go bona, but ba le certain things, certain practices tse lo reng di fetsa di dira ho reng bongaka bo losing respect, bo lose like a social standing in the community. Akere. So before we can look into other things, but it's like that organization they are looking into bringing back the dignity of traditional healers and stuff like that. So, but it can start in those individual organizations. I guess we answer a question now. After once you start, then because the people who can do that unity, ba unite everyone else. I think the politicians and people who have that platform, that power, but they are not able to use it. The celebrities. But the celebrities, most of them have sold out for money. They have sold out for money, they have sold out for fame and so forth. So, but they have that visibility that if they can start a movement, it can get traction very fast, because they are already in the limelight. But unfortunately, they are somehow in the limelight for wrong reasons.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which kings that are so powerful and they're captured by this white system? I get it, most of them they are late.
Most of them they are late.
Yeah.
But it's like they are. Well, this. Well, I know you know about it. This thing you're telling it loose.
Yeah.
It's almost the same thing. It's just that one ends on umuntu osemndenini ngakithi. But there's. I don't feel comfortable sharing their names, but I know quite a lot. I know quite a lot.
But all the tribes are there.
All the tribes are there.
All the tribes are
All
there.
the tribes are there.
Yeah.
All the tribes are there. And it's like, it's sad because it's like, sometimes they come to me and talk to me. I remember last week, I had these 3 kings who came to me. And they you cannot call them when you want to. You just have to let them come when it's like, they can.
Oh,
You understand?
when they are free, that's where
like,
they can channel to you.
They come to me and say, this is what is happening. We need you to do this and do this for us. You understand? And then they go back there. So it's heartbreaking.
Okay, I just like the fact that we didn't review the names or
To reveal the name.
everything, because other people, they can take it very deep because they can
Yes,
do whatever and
and-
whatever. Yeah, I like that. But what did they say, the kings? How about Lileko and how about to see that little break?
Last week there were 3 that came, and then they said to Bas Lindele, they're waiting for us to come and fetch them. They had enough. So
Baba Diang Sharp Mall, what are they doing?
everything that they want, it's like everything ungayidinga edlozini, they ask them. So it's like it's like the ngathini bazobuhlungu angithi listen, I have to bless someone looking at my children suffering.
Yes,
I
yes.
have to work for protect someone while looking at my children.
Okay,
Like,
you can sit,
attacked.
you can lean on your, so that the mic can pick your voice. Yes, yes,
Alright,
yes.
okay.
Yeah.
So bahlele lapho njenge ngathini angazi ukuthi like lixuxwane or transfer yeah kuri usetshenziswa usebenzela like yabona
Bana
foreign kingdom.
ba bangwe.
So
Is it a dark kingdom or ke kingdom ya Satan e re tsebang tsa
yeah, kingdom of Satan it works in darkness and in light, Leon. So I give an example. I remember one of my grandmother. I mean, I know her. When she died, I was already tlhaganiphilenyana. So one time ke rapela ntse ke le mo moyeng ke bona ke follow le line ya magua ne. There are white women and men with their children. It's like ba fote line le nna ke ka mo morago ke bona I'm the only black person. You like right like I'm at the back so ka re fote line they cannot see me. And then ha re fitla re tsana mo black nyana it's like a room. Was like re le ha ke fitla mola I found ke a bona re ntwe robetse mola. It's a mermaid. It's like they were asking, throwing coins there and asking for so many things. And they were describing whatever that they wanted. So, mina mangifika lapho, mangithi ngiyangena. I was so shocked I couldn't ask anything. So angithi nami ngitshela ukuthi njoba ngizwa bacela yonke into bayicela nami ngizofika lapho ngicela lokho ngifunayo.
Yes.
So I was just like going to cap ukuthi lapho khona something these people are asking that means whatever bayicela ngibayazi ukuthi bazoyithola. So nami uzothi ngizofika nami ngicela lokho ngidingayo. So uma ngifika lapho ngithi mangibangena lapho kuri ki only to find that it was my grandmother. Then I went on a spiritual warfare trying to release her from that and found that. And then ngithe mangicela ukulwa ngimkhulula lapho. Uthe mangise elinelanga mangimbona ngilele. Ngimbona aphakathi kuye wabona like a shack, small shack. Ahlele lapho ngathi akuce kanje. Athi ngila ngihlele khona.
After umkhipha lapha.
After ngicela umkhipha lapho. So I have to go back into the spiritual realm and find out ukuthi okay ngimise ini lapho ukuthi njengoba ngikhiphile lapho but still like usabhind somewhere wayabona. So ngathola ukuthi okay lo that shack represent ukuthi bamophe emanzini. So I have to find out to locate her now which river. One of those kind of things. And then ngabe sithunywa sinikeza ama rituals amele ngiwayenze ukuthi ngikhiphe lapho. And then when you do that, so kuba nama spiritual attacks. It's like they pick up or one of the angazi babizana bona ngale. But they pick up or one of their whatever is gone. So first what they will do and bana ma record ama lineage. If babambe umkhulu wakho lapho they know ukuthi it's like they're still keeping track of the lineage. You understand? Ma una lo mntwana komoya lapho o try ukuthi anesiphiwa try ukuthi alungise lezi zinto lezo like ngithi bathi ukulungisa umsamo. Then uzohlangana nama attack amakhulu kabi. Especially ulungisela kule lobu crossing lobu zo challenge ukuthi ulande umkhulu wakho lapho. But if ulungisela umsamo just ukuthi ube inyanga le ukuthi ucithe lamathambo unikeze abantu imithi lapho kunenkinga lapho.
I just want to ask you this one. Why they took your granny?
It's because ababheka I gift yase at the lineage.
Yes.
Njengoba ngutshile ngathi isithunywa kanjalo ukuthi ngifuna uhambe nama ancestors wakho ubalalele. Ukhona a gift uNkulunkulu abanikeza yona enkulu they will teach you. And then first they will have to prepare you for that gift and then after they've taught you and prepared you and then they will give you that gift. So ngathola ukuthi enye ama-gift lawa asekhona ekhaya ukunisa imvula ukumanifesta wabona those kind of thing okay nokushaya izulu but leyo nje it's controversial but ngile nto vela bebayazi yes but noma ekudaleni beba like inkuni noma umkhulu wami lo nayo le gift the day akhona lo escape lapho antshela ukuthi le gift leyo besebenza kanjani wathi yena ba like bakhona ubulala inkomo eyedwa ayishaya ngezulu landana ngelightning ayenzi so nenkuni kanjalo azange ashaya umuntu mara maxi iza amanye ama grand fathers basebaganga ngayo manje badalalana ngayo nabanye bomkhulu so yabo ukuthi yamosheka and then mayimosheka kanjalo we have to nayo we fix
Sure. Or they don't just take anyone.
They don't just take anyone.
They check the powers that
they
the
check
family
they
has.
abathatha imndeni lebaphethele lama gift athile angithi so angithi they have to compliment them if bayazi ukuthi labo bebazi uhila bazothatha labo bebazi ukuprofit angithi nabo bafuna ukwazi ukuthi what is happening, what is God saying, what is God planning. So bazothatha lapho labo ba prophet abakhulu kanjalo from all these different lineage.
But why is God then? Why is letting this thing happening?
Benginento ngisolo nje ngibuza yona naye uNkulunkulu ngimbuza but it's like enye into like into avela aletha kakhulu emqondweni wami ukuthi my children perish for lack of knowledge. Usinikezile ulwazi. You understand? And usinikezile izindlela ezimele siphile ngazo, ezimele sihambe ngazo. So but what happened ukuthi let's say for example angithi nginikeze example ngabantwana base-Israel. Angithi bathi base-Israel bamkhalela uNkulunkulu babona ukuthi basenkingeni abasaphathiwa kahle I mean e-Egypt abasaphathiwa kahle angithi ngisho mangirefera kule story leso angithi then God heard their cry. So if unalento lokuthi sinalento lokuthi asimkhaleli to the point lokuthi azwe isikhalo sethu sine pride lokuthi sizoziyenzela sisolusiza nama solution ahamba phelela but it's like we never sought God ngenhliziyo zethu zonke ukuthi asizwele njengabantu bamnyama. You understand? Siphethe lento le ya division ukuthi kudelelwana ukuthi wena uyinyanga wena umfundisi wena umprofeta wena yari kuri le competition le basifake kuye nje ubutititi ulima wonje bosikhiphe busy keep the machine rolling and then wireless entertain into ezingekho.
I think I fully understand you. The way that's why you actually before we should unite together from these different segments or the one that you just mentioned earlier. If we can just get together, we can go to God. Is what you're saying?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. And see, I agree. Ona le ntho engwe ka mo Bible ba reng ha ba le ba babedi le kopane ka ntho e le dumelana ka ntho e one it will happen. So I wonder really how simple is it to manifest something. Only two people have a kopane ba dumelelana.
It can happen.
So manifestation I wonder is not a difficult thing. Let's say ona le umngakho le funa into ethile ekhaya. So you just have to both agree. Then it will happen. So but instead kuna umunye umoya nje osiphazamisayo ukuthi sengazwani abantu bamnyama ukhona sisicekelana sibukelana phansi so compete against each other. Wayibona lento le ngiyo lesigcinezela ngiyo lento esebenza ukuthi sizo every race mayifika la bakhona ukuthi bazwane against us thina solo senje sisilwa sisodwa
abazonephobia mabahambe
abazonephobia mabahambe yonke lento leyo. So
can't you do that alone? Can't you take all the kings out though? Take those kings out?
Bazongisinda ngeke ngikhona. Mina inkosi yami nje yena ayi-one nje. Masamfikele
Babothata ne?
Bawima they are so heavy.
They are so heavy.
Their energy is so powerful, so heavy.
So if we don't fix this thing, what will happen to us?
i-decay nje ngulabona like i-degeneration isizwe ngulabo sibona sesosi ngulabona like into iseyibola isingosi usishile sesibola siphatha umold solosiya si
So we would,
but there are people laba abathandayo abasithanda njengabantu abamnyama aba-proud ngabantu abamnyama and bathanda nabantu but the people are fighting and praying. So mina what I do ukuthi ukhona amakhosi like la uNkulunkulu anihlanganisa nabo ngibele ngibatshele ukuthi wena umkhulu wakho ulinuko kwakho baba into endaweni so hamba ubalanda benze kanje kanje kanje
I like that.
so I'm hoping ukuthi by doing that because last 2 days back into bantshela yona ukuthi ukhona amanye amakhosi uzoza nawo kuyindawo ethize uzobayenzela umsebenzi wokuthi baze balande amakhosi wabo so and then but kumele uze wena kucala na 2 or 3 people that you trust so ubonisa how you going to perform the ritual uthi mase uza nabo ungabe sekungathi usayenza safunda bese wenza useyazi ukuthi procedure ihamba kanjani so because some of those spaces tratelo okay wabona uthi most sacred spaces in South Africa is that they are fenced off.
Yeah.
They are fenced off. So why is that? Honali thaba e nngwe ko Limpopo ne ba re ke thaba Rita. Thaba ela ne ina le ho ba re ke nka se re overprayed but that sound no lo better o ka re ke ha pula ena ne duma o ka re like thunder. Ne evaporate like thunder then people know the rain is coming. I remember abantu qoqela ka batho bugogo uthi benzani bebabona ngani into enini ngayo. So khona manje is fenced, you can't go there. And it's a private person onale ndawo le. So if you anga uthola lapha ngawudubula.
Who owns that? Who owns the place?
Oh elinye ibhono lapho nje. But elinye langa ke wakhona umunye umama nomunye ubaba bomele bayothandaza lapho bathole isithunywa sabo soboshwe lapho. But it's like luckily bathola ukuthi abekho lamabhono labo but the guy who was working there was able to kind of like sneak them in kulabona hamba lothandaza but ayivunyelwa lento leyo la. Then they went and they prayed and then they came back. It's like it's in your own country.
But my question is that if it's like that, why they bought the mountain there? Why why Tabaeu, and specifically why are they trying to protect
some
it?
of them they are plus pre 1994 elections. Kube wabani a very big land grab. Ngakhumbula especially kulabo balwela lo mmuso loyo that government ithi mayibona ukuthi manje la kulama election there's no way we can win then ya reward labantu laba ngokuthi go and get land guys then abenzela amaphepha and then ANC mayifika we can't touch them,
the land is gone.
So now manje ngoba ANC nabo the government nayo manje ngoba une corruption nabo into bayenzani bayithengela amaplaza nabo ukuthi nabo bafane nabo.
So this inequality from black people to white people, we will never win it if we don't fix it like spiritually.
No. That's why sizoyina ngokuthi ukhandle wena we-one. The whole community solo nje ibuke wena udla kamnandi ngemoto uhamba ngemoto we one in your or three in your community. You understand?
And which is not nice.
Abantu bamnyama it's not innate, it's not in us. Yokuthi umele udle we-one bonke abantu sele babukile baphethe bakhalela babona lokho kuwela phansi.
Yes.
It's not
mafoforo.
Wena sijabula masidla sonke, celebrate sonke. Siselingana sonke. That's why bayigcokela le ikhumba lezi zeyilwana bongana lokuthi mina ngigcoke fashion yakuphi njani. It's uniformity, oneness, togetherness. So but imali manje yenza ukuthi ngibe nokuba ngatheni modernity mhlambe, this modern lifestyle ukuthi ube proud ukuthi wena emnteni
You're better than the other one.
ube better than the
I have
other
more
one.
money than the other
And
one.
mara ube sowumakala base bawusabotage babo nabo base bawujalasa nabo base bawuloya.
Because well, it should be like that at some point because Libona, they do want that life.
They do want that life.
Lifestyle, yeah.
They don't want that life. They do want that life. And kunalezi zinto lezo zokuthi unokuzondana ukuthi lo Kendle ngedlozi lasekhathi nasahlupheka ena u right wabona lento lezi nje. So yeah,
It's a lot.
it's a lot.
It's a lot. If we can unite, what will happen to black people? Not only in South Africa, I believe, maybe worldwide. I don't think it's only South Africa. Maybe your Zimbabwe or Nigeria and etc.
The black people will realize once they can unite and pray and do whatever that they can to ukhala uNkulunkulu ukuthi babele abantu bamnyama ngibo the firstborn of God.
Firstborn of God. Then the rest, Ikidi, second and whatever. Who are the last ones? Who are the last born?
Lena lo bambe the firstborn ngenyawo uthi akayindawo. So
Yeah.
if
will
they
be a
can
lot-
understand that and play their role,
Wow.
the leadership role and of course, they are the son of God. They are the original sons of God.
Yes, and like in most cases, we always paint it as like we belong to the demonic world. But do black people realize how important they are to God?
No.
They don't.
They don't. It's only if you earn something le wena unganayo. Abona uthi uyamkhalela. It's only ba compliment. I understand lento ngishoyo. Because it's like the more it's like thina ngokwethu mina ngokwami nje I don't value myself. Ngizoyivalue ama wena mawuthi oh muhle. Hey u rich. Ufundile wabona lento le. So because I think if you a sense of value, sense of integrity, and a sense of self-respect and self-love, you live like that. You portray that in your day-to-day life. And awulinda ukuthi umunye umuntu aze awutshele into oyaziyo. You understand? And you treat people because ukuyabona ukuthi ma uzizwa ngenye indlela unokucabanga ngathi everybody uzizwa kanjalo. So if I feel confident in myself and ngiyazithanda mina, nomunye umuntu mangihlangana ngicabanga ukuthi nawe uyazithanda naye wazihlonipha yabona ngiyomtreat as such because ngicabanga ukuthi naye wayabona lento le. But if I undermine myself, I hate myself, ngihate nomunye umuntu and then ngicabanga ukuthi naye kumele if angazi hate and then ngizomcekeza ngizom-undermine ngizom-humiliate ukuthi abe as hate njengami.
So that's the message that God has for us.
Yes, the second message ukuthi nje this one I know ukuthi I hope ukuthi they don't come after me. Into engicelayo inyenge noNkulunkulu wathi lento zokukhendla. Kakhulu into yasemathunyeni because we need to respect our ancestors. We need to respect abantu abalele. Thina sisala emhlabeni because if wena uyodlala lapha emathunyeni ukaza labantu phezulu kwethunya lomuntu asimuntu wakini lo muntu lo mina kuri utele uNkulunkulu mangikhulu antshela lento le ukuthi akayifuni. Ngathi manje mina ngoba ngubani mina they will just fight me and dismiss me like nothing. But I'll just go and say it. I will deal with them if they continue doing whatever they do. uNkulunkulu akayifuni lento ukuthi wekeza lo muntu phezulu kwethunya labanye abantu awutholanga imvumelo kule family leyo lo muntu omgeza yasuka le family leyo lo muntu we understand angaze ngabe kanjani like it has no relation nomuntu walele lapho. But when wenza imali uzogeza lo muntu phezulu kwalonto leyo awucelanga umuntu enawenzakani uNkulunkulu akayifuni lento leyo lento ukuthi like solo kuthathwa umhlabathi ese
Esemathuneni.
yes. I don't know why, but le ngizoyishiya njengoba njalo. Angifuni ukuthi ngi-add because okunye ngizoba sengikhuluma the way na imfisa ngakhona, but the message engayitshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu akasayifuni lento kumele iphele.
So those are just only two.
Those are just only two.
Yay.
I know bazokwata who is she?
But the
who's
message
what?
has been sent.
Wayazi ngikhumbula unini na when was it? I can't remember the year. Ngahamba ngobathi ngotshelela inyusonto ukuthi uNkulunkulu akafuni 1 2 3 4.
Ungitshele of a sonto la continue. Ungitshele, tell me the church. Or ke kereke feng.
On
No,
air.
yeah, of air feature.
Yes, I global.
Yeah.
So I went there. Ngabatshela everything that God has told me. Balalela. Okay, it's fine. Ngahamba. After some weeks ngabi ngizothi ba ngiyabona bathi mabayi analyze bathatha lokhu akuthatha lokhu kunye bathi uyabheda lo mntwana lo. Hayi ayikho lento ayishoyo. So bambiza ukuthi hayi uphethe satanism so la hamba uthi uNkulunkulu uthi idemoni lo muntu lo uphethe lo mntwana. And those things happened. Those things happened.
Do you mind sharing them?
Huh?
Do you mind sharing them? Or what
So
happened?
well kwabulalana lapho kulelo itulo kwaba
Pity Pete, it's Pity Pete, you know? Yeah. Phew.
umunye wathi umele uhambe wabatshela ukuthi kathi I'm not going back there.
It was
And
bad.
uNkulunkulu anje ukuthi the solution ukuthi makwenzeka kanje bayenzile kanje kuzoba kanje. Manje le solution angeke baze bayithola ngoba ngithi bayalile the instruction.
The instruction.
Angeke uthole the benefit ungayenza ka the work ngithi. So kusele kunjalo. So now I'm saying that ukuthi it's not the first time ngibona uNkulunkulu athi not a warning ukuthi mhlambe uNkulunkulu uyalwa kanjani. It's just a message that I'm passing, but I know ukuthi ngizobona the consequences. Ngikhumbula a few years ithatha joyous ngabe ngiza nabantu babengihamba nabo ngoba bathanda ukukhumbuza the years ngoba angithi ma prophet uba in a state
You don't record them.
don't record the date the time ukuthi in years. So ngabatshela ngathi yazi uNkulunkulu uthi inyanga namasonto I mean inyanga nabafundisi nabaprofeti wantshela into zemele baziyeke nalento mabele bazi
Yeah.
waqeda lapho wathi ke wawuya kundaba namasonto wathi I'm going to ngizobaceda labo I will kill the shepherd mina ngizozulusela abantwana bami mina ngokwami ngoba abafuna uhamba ngendlela lengibanikeze yona. Okay, ngatshela labo ngina access ukuthi ngabatshela abanye people don't touch it, they flying up there, but they had to fall down baze babona ukuthi uNkulunkulu makhulumile ukhulumile. Doesn't matter.
Ufihla nemrima abulela lwana.
Anytime, every time.
Why situate ba le voice ya gagwe? How the voice of God sounds like?
It's like mawukhuluma kanje ngathi kumunye umuntu ivoice yakho injani. It's like you can't describe ivoice. Mina ivoice engisabayo yaNkulunkulu makwakwatile. Yeah, it's
Is he shouting?
it's like
Is he shouting?
ungathi uphakathi kwe-thunder uzozwa umzimba wakho evaporate and kuyashisa la elanda khona if ilanda la uzozwa ngathi ushaywe i-ball of fire if ilanda la makakwatile.
But ukhuluma what language? Ubulela Sepedi.
Ubulela ka language ubulala ngileyona awubulala na ka Sepedi ubulala Sepedi uluma Zulu ubulala
Zulu.
Sometimes abulela ka English nje I think umdimu u khona u sheba perception ya hao rena. How are you like mhlum let's say maybe ke bala buka ya English utlo bola go buela na ka English. Gore it's like a anya ku shifter mo monahano ka o focusitseng hona.
Abulele Afrikaans.
Abulele utlo re ka re utlo no bolela ka na mkhano. And
It's sexy voice ya high.
first time it's soothing. Ngathi it's soothing, it's healing.
It's healing.
And it's comforting.
It's comforting.
Yeah.
I get
And
you.
then sometimes you know we like God, you haven't spoken to me in 2 days.
Nkare kwa bolela le nna, so I can
I
feel
think
different.
khona. And then once kanjalo, it's like the rest of my day
It's
is
perfect.
sad. It's sad. Noma ngaba nama-attacks noma ngaba nani noma ngaba ngathi ngingena ku-spiritual realm ngabona izinto ngazithanda eziborayo.
But the time utla that voice, ukwa that voice, do you perhaps sometimes picture him? Or how does he looks like?
The first time, I think 11 or 12 years, that time ngitshela ngithi bengihlele ngemuva behind the house ebusuku ngizwa the voice ukuthi ukhona umuntu ozizwa njengawe one day lizohlangana. It's like the moon was shining, there were stars. So ngayitshela ukuthi ngabuza, is it you? Kwena obolela? No answer. I looked at the brighter stars. Kwena obolelang? No answer. It's like I was searching because that voice is just like, you cannot say it comes from this direction or this direction. It's like it's just spoken and it's just felt like the echo is like all around you. And after some time, so that voice I agree high word. After some times, how say you audibly, how say you we go also by internal. That voice is actually internal. Like how once you recognize or killing to lamudim, how le amuhela. Lintla mudim or mudim ka well like my mates, the matter to go fell like oh my mates. Then what if it's like that voice is like I could say I explain it.
Okay.
But we go internally. Sometimes sometimes you know what the voice speaking inside of you. Yeah, so on and so on.
Do you allow us to have questions to God?
Yes.
And then when I personally sit a fihlile ko wena aka o ka mmotisa tsona. Yes.
Ke motsishela sa le ke sa mo gore ke mo feel ke motsisa. O tla ngaraba kana kwa ngaraba mpatse ka do ask anytime.
Can I ask
So,
okay. Yeah, continue.
No, no, Modimo is like this other spirit. You don't feel like possessed. And then it's very simple to hear God. It's very simple to commune and just have a relationship with God. People think it's a difficult thing. You have to summon the highest mountain and get into the depth of what. No. It's very simple. Anyone can speak and hear and speak to God.
So at the moment, can we have questions? Can I let the viewers to have questions? For instance, maybe I just want to know how does God love us? Ne? Then I give it to you. The time when you come back, you can provide answers. Maybe others, they can have questions about why is why is Sokola so mulfasing?
Okay, can I ask you, it's like house also. Do you allow me to answer you with the questions, with the answers that get, it's like the answer from within. But it's like but it's like the answers.
Oh, okay.
How does God love us? I love all my creation. Understand? Yeah. I love all my creation. So it's like last time we class somewhere this side. Marlboro somewhere driver koloi then what tata ba hore I guess re ke complain ka hore like ke tlo apara eng is like diaparo tsa ga di limpopo ke tle mo agently ke sa tse hore why ganthe ke tlo ba ke interact people what tata ba hore go rang go bitsa the scripture sa hore you are much more important than flowers. You are much more important than flowers. So like we are into contest or okay. This thing is something that Jesus said, even David, David or Solomon, but it's like I don't know to compare the beauty of the flower or not lesser than the beauty of the flowers. But much more important than the flowers. So I could say all my creation, but you are much more important than flowers. It's like
Why is Why is Sokola so mulfasing? Someone can ask that.
Disconnection
with God. Whatever that we do, we should always talk to God, or we don't connect with God in the right way. What is it?
Okay. this connection botlhale ba mathomo ko tshaba modimo akere mara botlhale ke eng ko tseba modimo so since re stakile mo o tshabeng modimo a sa nka re nyako mo tseba so and botlhale ke bona o I couldn't train at the beginning, so at the end. So, how about at the beginning of wisdom is the fear of God, then wisdom is knowing God. So, why sang I wisdom? So, this is clearly at the beginning until when. So, we just need to reconnect with God. We just need to reconnect with God. As a short, it's very, very simple. It's very, very simple because God, Mudimu ha. Have that picky the way all these laws are and now come to my throne with boldness and also lezi izinto angibona umsebenzi wakho uzonikeza idlozi hamba lo mgeza umntwaneni osimkhula kwathi hamba mfuleni kanje mfundiseni 1 2 3 understand so but that's why it's very azokhona into ngimisile ngizwele inkulumo phakathi uyimi mara is like ngimisile so into engifuna ukuthi it's not that difficult but because I'm intermediaries I understand my
what is the intermediaries
like these people who like bafundisi prophet all these people who
the third eyes abanama third eyes
No, I don't even have a massage. They just go to the Bible school, abuya be pastor, then askole phambili, then every day says
through yena.
So you never seek because manje sewitsho lothini uyathola kanti lokuthola second hand. You understand? Lo muntu manje so uvale indlela. So that's why most people bagcina base worship abona.
Than God. Because now I feel like that's why I don't go to church these days because it's all about praising the human being, not the God. Ish.
Because is like we can all do whatever that we can. So connect noMnkulunkulu simazi and sibe ne fellowship sihlale no fellowship naye. But if mina ngithi mina sengiyenzile wena ungasayenzi bheka mina wena follow me. Wena uthi manje your journey is cut short manje so wena so ufollow mina ubheka mina the next thing vela so ubona mina njalo nje the next thing so senguNkulunkulu wakho ngoba ngithi ngimi ubonayo awubone next anything else.
Prophet, I believe I also share anything. The message is clear, straightforward.
The message is clear, straightforward. Okay, enye into bengifuna ukukhuluma nabantwana bamoya laba baphethe umoya isithunywa sobukhosi ukuthi manje bahlanganise bajoin the feminine and the masculine energy. Angithi esontweni kukhonzwa umudimo ntate. Akere. Hona le mudimo mme.
Okay.
Mudimo mma. Understand? So you need to combine, unite those things. Akere. So, and then another thing, kuring ba lelale ba shebele hodimo ba try to connect the constellation. How na le bohoshi ba moya you get ruled by 4 constellations and 4 planets. You have to know them. Or now which are my 4 planets, which are my 4 constellations. So ukuthi ukhozi wakho kuphelele. Understand? Then ngalento leyo enye into bengifuna uyikhuluma indaba identity attack. Indaba identity attack wazukhona into bangifundisa yona ukuthi wayikhumbula le constellation bathi Orion. I know ukuthi ngibamba lapho nalapho but I know ba spiritual bangizwa abanye base but it's like I know I might not make clear and logical to other people but we try to introduce the message and covering as many things as possible. So, are we as a constellation about Orion?
Teach us.
Okay, the constellation about Orion. How who black people have built the pyramids. Those 3 pyramids the J3 sokolo inside Orion, but the Orion's belt. Okay.
Is it a triangle?
No, they're not a triangle. They're just like they follow each other like a horizontal.
Oh.
So, however, Egypt is like colonized. Most of the people about the Egyptologists, they come from outside. They're looking for the secret of eternal life. So, I grew where you know about the pyramid to highly about Tobabats. So even though I never know the issues, but the highly about so they connected with the constellation Orion. Kamo ha Orion how sheba. Honali something like a cloud nyana so. That cloud that cloud. How is sheba? It really like a picture like the face of a monkey. Okay. So that cloud had really, and that cloud like a moilo ringi stars are born. New stars are born in that cloud. By which a nebula. Okay. So akara ho Orion nebula fit ntho ya hona e bopele jwale ka sefatlo sa train. Okay. So white people, when they realize or black people have connected to the constellation ya Orion, and then inside that Orion, that nebula where the new stars are created, it's the face of the monkey.
Monkeys.
And then what did we do?
What did you do? I don't know.
No, we fought against it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I think I follow now. I follow now. Yeah.
So I'm not ringing that thing you're ringing. You perish for lack of knowledge. So they attacked our identity to make us hate invalidate.
Okay. It makes sense. It makes sense. I think that one I should look deeper into it because I'm not really familiar with it, you know?
Just look at the Orion, the Orion constellation, the Orion nebula, and then look at the Orion nebula, the shape ya corner, and then the name that some people they even call it the monkey. What. So, but it's like knowing that spiritually we're connected to that constellation, we are connected to it. But keep even go the 12 zodiac signs. I don't know Leo, Libra, one of those kind of things. I don't know if you follow them. You don't follow them. Yeah,
I don't
Sagittarius.
know them, yeah.
So they keep those constellations.
Yes.
But they're ignoring, they're aligned with black people out of the movement of the sun. But now they're busy, they're already admitting Orion is part of that the zodiac belt. But Orion but before we achieved that constellation. Also, we are not monkeys and whatever. So we are
Sure.
it's like
Yeah.
it's so diabolical and it's so like insane how we share about this thing. That's why what and this war is spiritual.
Deeply spiritual.
It's very deeply spiritual. Then that's why you have to know Melo was this four worlds. Because lento mina ngayifunda mase nginitiate a cosmic initiation. Understand? Saying fundiswa ngama constellation nani. And ngathi ngitshela ukuthi ngizoyenza maybe bangamvumbela ngenze i-course ya-astrology ukuthi ngikhona ukuzi-understand kahle. But no, they just wanted me to learn what I learned ngemvelo yami nokuthi my ancestors, who are they?
I think we should come back for part 2 for more teachings. Yes, I think we should come back for part 2 for more knowledge. I think people, they should learn more. Even maybe we could escalate into the third one because I feel like there's so much to unpack.
There's so much to unpack and abantu njengoba bambonisa lothing like abantu bamoya wobukhosi, especially bona laba abathi isithunywa siphethe isithunywa sobukhosi and we are self-initiate. And some of them they are going around and because asna blueprint, asna understand, asna intrinsic follow, asna that much guidance.
Yeah.
That's why we talk about we umuntu wa mentor to certain level, umunya mentor to certain level, umunya mentor. usatshele vele because akuna umuntu ohambe those 4 wells vele umthole awu
Fully packaged.
fully packaged. Yes, so mina mara ngoba uNkulunkulu solo nami bengimkhalela because of that struggle. Wanjela ukuthi you're not the only one, ukhona abanye bayenza kanje. So ngabona ukuthi loko ambonisile wona I can share with other people. Then at the end of the day uzogcina sesifikelela la sifikelela khona.
Prophet, thank you so much for coming.
Ubonga mina.
Yes, I believe we covered everything, ne?
Yes.
We did, ne? But do you mind if maybe abantwana bomoya they can contact you and or you prefer otherwise you can, if you don't mind, you can share your details. If you mind, we can close the show.
No, at the moment ngabanikeza WhatsApp number. I don't take my calls manje. Umuntu angavela share voice note or text.
Yeah, okay.
So in number is 079-243-8047.
Okay.
8047. Yes.
All right. Did you heal people?
Yes, ma kakhulu.
Oh,
Bengithandaza bengimamsebenzi mamthandazeli
Yeah.
yonke lento lo ngisebenza ngiwashwa ngamanzi. I've been through all that. So it's been almost how long? Starting from 2014.
Yeah, so since more than 10 years. I think it's 12 years now.
12 years.
Yeah.
24, yeah.
12 years. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for
Yeah,
having me.
we appreciate your knowledge. I believe
I hope so.
Yes.
Then they can send some questions to go and even on the number that I've provided.
Yeah.
And then if there is something, I'm forever ready to come back.
Yes. Thank you so much for coming. We appreciate you. Make sure if you do have a question, we will bring back Prophet for part 2. Drop your question on the comment section. What do you think? Do you think this? Do you think that? We'll make sure on the next episode we will cover that question. Thank you so much for watching. We love you, and also do the right thing, which is subscribing and liking. Mina na ungimi na ngile.